At Inveralmond Community High School, one of the main priorities in our school improvement plan has been improving the quality of our learning and teaching for everyone. In session 2017-18, we took part in the Tapestry programme. Dylan William visited our school and we spent the next 12 months working together as teaching and learning communities, trying to implement his 5 principles of formative assessment into our practice. We started to notice a difference and we wanted to continue to improve. Dylan Williams said that every teacher needs to improve, not because they're not good enough, but because they can be even better. So in order to lead and support learning for all, we developed a common understanding of what excellent learning and teaching should look like at Inveralmond.
Based on engagement with literature, research, and practitioner inquiry, we organise our aspirations for truly excellent learning and teaching with the 6 circles: clarifying the purpose of learning, adopting a variety of teaching approaches, ensuring appropriate challenge, allowing students to take ownership of their progress in learning, building a positive classroom ethos, and using skilled questioning.
We also looked at our PRD process and tried to improve it by joining it up with our work on improving our learning and teaching through practitioner inquiry. In session 2019-20, we wanted to make sure that we had sustained professional learning opportunities, so over 24 hours of collaborative time on insets and working afternoons were given over to practitioner inquiry. This created a culture of trust where staff were empowered to ask critical questions of themselves about their practice and to set their own areas of improvement in pedagogy. We set regular check-ins in faculty groups where staff could share their progress of their inquiry, support colleagues and challenge each other's thinking. In February 2020, our plans changed as we entered lockdown. Staff were preparing to share their learning from practitioner inquiry in May together in the hall, but the solution to this setback led to an opportunity to greatly expand our professional learning system. Staff created videos of their inquiry remotely, and this led to the creation of the ICHS Improvement Hub. The website is where knowledge is developed and shared across our learning community, so staff can learn from each other. It is now a living and breathing teacher-created learning and teaching position paper.
Using the structure of our 6 circles of excellent learning, teaching and assessment, staff can view and make summary suggestions, access learning resources recommended by colleagues, and view videos of colleagues' practitioner inquiries. In Year 1, staff carried out inquiries across 18 different areas of learning and teaching, resulting in more than 6 hours of video sharing their learning and more than 120 titles of recommended professional learning resources.
We continued with the practitioner inquiry model into Year 2, which saw higher levels of staff engagement and more in-depth inquiries. Embedding this model into the school as it becomes normal to be an improving teacher, not because we aren't good enough, but because we can be even better.
At this point, staff were telling us that their practice was improving. We wanted to see what the students thought. Each department now has BGE and senior phase focus groups to receive feedback on learning, teaching and assessment within that department. This feedback is used to inform future learning opportunities for staff. Feedback on learning, teaching and assessment from PTCs and SLT observations links to the Improvement Hub and influences next steps.
Excellent learning and teaching requires more than improvements to pedagogy. It also requires a strong curriculum. In the 2021-22 session, we introduced the Learning, Teaching and Assessment Curriculum Project. The project provided protected time to allow all staff to work collaboratively on self-evaluation and development of their curriculum.
At the end of an academic session, we have a LTA Showcase Day, where departments share and discuss their projects with other departments. The learning is then shared on the Improvement Hub, along with the individual practitioner inquiry projects.
We are continuing to provide staff with the structure to improve individual pedagogy and to work collaboratively on curriculum reflection. This is having a positive impact on our learners and staff, and it's moving us closer towards truly excellent learning and teaching.